prove extremely dangerous. This film in no way wishes to mark any particular product as susceptible to valve breakages. This film will demonstrate what happens when a cylinder valve breaks off. Any cylinders that have received a significant blow to the valve should be given to an expert for checking. It is always better to err on the side of caution. Some valves don't break off immediately, even if they are damaged. The accident often happens at a later time. It is completely unexpected and extremely dangerous.